Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited for today's video because I'm going to share with you, but also we're going to try on my face a Oden's Eye mystery box. So if you are interested to learn what is it inside and what box I picked up from the Oden's Easter sales, then just keep on watching. If you haven't heard anything about Oden's Eye, they are a indie company. They are based in Sweden, but all the products are shipped all the way from China, and they have very beautiful makeup, eyeshadow palettes, and not only. And I all the time wanted to grab one of these, but I never see myself ordering until I got an email because I think I have signed up for a newsletter a while ago, and I got an email that during Easter they are going to have 3 mystery boxes. So they had the mystery bags, the one that I have here. It is it contains the hair palette, the one that I actually wanted to pick up, the one that was created in collaboration with Angelica, and sorry, I cannot spell her family name, but I wanted to pick up this eyeshadow palette when they restock it. However, I was a little bit more turned out about the fact that I have to pay shipping, so I said, okay, I will pass it. And when I've seen there is this opportunity, because this was retailing for $43.99 including shipping, and you get the palette and 3 other products for the price of the palette. The mystery boxes are no longer available as of now when I'm recording, so it took 2 weeks to arrive to me from China. Today when I'm recording we are on May 2nd, but I don't know exactly when the video will go up. So as I told you, they had 3 different sizes of mystery bags. The most expensive one was around $75 US, and there was another one like between those two. However, I wanted to get that palette, so here I am. I didn't open it, as I told you, I just received it right today, and this is what the box looks like. Doesn't say anything on the back. You have just a water kind of design which competes with my green background, so it's really nice. And this is the back, and you have a pull string to open it, so we are going to do it together. Actually, I didn't want it to film today because I'm not feeling very well. I'm haunted by a cold that comes and leaves, and I even took a test. I took a antigen test at home, and it's negative, but I don't know, it just doesn't let me away, and I feel beaten. So yeah, there is the deal. But I said, okay, maybe if I don't record it today, the next day I will not feel capable to do it. So I wanted to see, of course, what is it inside, and because I want to see what is it inside, I want to play with the products inside. So that's why I don't have eye makeup. Okay, I am opening, and take some pictures for the thumbnail. This is what we are getting: Hela, Oden's Eye plus Angelica. Very pretty. I think my daughter will enjoy this artwork. Those are the other items that were coming for free. This is a pamphlet that comes with this palette, and it says, for this palette I had a vision of a warm but still different color story that will suit both lovers of colors and lovers of neutrals. I wanted to create a color story myself, which I had in my collection, and that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for supporting this collaboration. I hope you'll have as fun with this palette as I have had creating it. Love from Oden's Eye and Angelica. And I know that many people got this palette and loved it. If I haven't mentioned, this palette, it's now in stock and it retails for $43.99. And this is the front. This is the back of the palette. And here is the palette. So this was the sleeve. Oh my god, she's even more pretty in person. Oh, look at these guys. Okay, let me cover. I know the swatches from internet, from Instagram and so on, but I think in person she looks even more beautiful. And now let's see what else I have got together with this palette as part of the mystery bag. Alva Matte Lip Stain in M20 204 Sweet Peach. So I suppose this is a lipstick. Here is the shade. And the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, the outer packaging. Oh, this is a liquid lipstick. She's so beautiful. Look at this pattern. Oh my goodness. And the shade that I have, I think it will match the actual lipstick. Okay, I'm not going to swatch it right now. I'm going to apply it on the lips after I do my eye makeup. And the last product, it was actually featured that you might get a mirror. And you have here the Oden's eye logo. And it's a double-sided mirror. Of course, I don't want to blind you guys with this, but no, none of them is magnifying, but it's useful to have it and look from both sides if you want so. And now I'm going to do a eye look. Maybe I will do 2 eye looks using this palette. Unfortunately, I'm not going to talk too much because I have noticed that while I'm talking, when I don't feel well, talking too much, it exhausts me. So I'm going to put some music. I even don't know what I'm going to create, but just I want to let you know what I have on my face, and especially the foundation. I have this foundation in my stash for 2 years. This is by number 7 and it's the Airbrush Away foundation. Oh my god, you guys, this foundation, it's absolutely gem. I don't know if you still can find it, grab it. It's similar with the one from L'Oreal, the True Match one, and even has the same type of applicator, which I managed to spill on my pants, but has just a tad bit more coverage, and it applies and it glides like a dream. So I could not believe how nice it looks on my face. So just I want to show you, it is perfection. So I have also bronzer. I have added the E.L.F. Putty bronzer in the shade Tahiti, I suppose. And as a concealer, I have the one from L'Oreal, the True Match. So it's good that I zoom you in because I'm going to play with the palette. So I have a bunch of brushes from Sonia G, Refre, and some other brands, BK Beauty. So I'm going to use some of those. And now let's get to business. I'm going also to prime my... Hela eyeshadow palette from the legendary Diversa collection. It's our first collaboration product with our beloved friend, YouTuber Angelica Nyqvist, who curated the eyeshadow palette inspired by Hela, the goddess of death in ancient Norse mythology. Angelica is from Sweden, same as our brand, and we wanted to celebrate our shared heritage by creating Hela palette, adding something new to the legendary Diva collection. The main inspiration comes from Hela, the goddess of death in Norse mythology. She represents death, and that also means new life. According to the legend, Hela's image is half a beauty and half a skeleton. We refer to the image of Angelica Nyqvist in the design to create the cover elements. Angelica Nyqvist chose green and pink to shape the overall color scheme. The ghosty green and the warm-hearted pink reflect the dualist nature of Hela. You'll be able to create versatile and contrasting, exciting eye looks. Alright, I am back with my eye makeup on. So I have enjoyed some of the shades from this Hela and Oden's Eye Plus Angelica eyeshadow palette, and I have some thoughts about this eyeshadow palette. So first of all, I think the matte shades are just a dream to work with. So I have tried 5 of the matte shades that are in this palette. So I have tried those 2 from the top. This one, which is more like a khaki, this pink one, which I have added on the transition, and also this one, which is like a dark burgundy shade. All of them blend like a dream. And also I love the shimmery formula. Now some of the shades, like for example this one, this is mostly like a taupe shade, even though when you swatch it, it has some shift to it. I first added by itself, and after that I've seen that I don't have so much intensity, so I went with this shade and it created a ombre here, and I enjoyed that so much. This green I think is by far my favorite shade, my shimmery shade. It's called Venom. All the shades have names, but also they are small and they are reflecting. So from this reason I was not able to read them when I was talking about them. But I think the formula is good and I don't have so much fallout. Maybe I had just a little bit of a fallout from this green shade, but I understand why, because it's very pigmented. And also I have had fallout from this duochrome, but just a tad. So you might consider, if you want to be safe, do your eye first. There are few shades that are more neutral, but I don't think so that this is a neutral palette. I would say that is more like a spring palette. It screams life. For me, it screams like the summer, it's approaching, but until then, let's just enjoy the nature, everything. It's colorful, rich and pigmented. So yeah, I'm loving it. I'm very excited. But let me tell you what I have used on my eyes beside this eyeshadow palette. So I have used this L'Oreal liner in the shade Noir Cashmere to my upper and lower lash line. And as a mascara, I have used this one from Max Factor, Lash Revival Fuller, Longer, Stronger Lashes. I do not agree. So this is what the mascara wand looks like, and I'm a bit disappointed by this mascara. But now let's go ahead with this lipstick. Ooh, look at this shade. I don't have too much on the brush because I have cleaned it on my hand, but that's okay. I love it. It's very comfortable. Now I have to see how long it wears. Maybe I will pop a comment in my comment section. Let's wait a couple of minutes and then I'm going to do a transfer test to see if it is transfers out or not. But yeah, other than that, let me know if you have picked this eyeshadow palette by Oden's Eye and what do you think about it. As a first time meeting with the brand, I'm very impressed, and I think now I'm going to buy more from them. Maybe also I will wait for when they will have like mystery boxes, mystery bundles, because then I get the opportunity to try more things from the brand. But yeah, as of now I'm loving the lipstick, of course, and I'm also excited about this duo and that mirror. I don't have something like this. I have just one side mirror in my collection, so it's also nice, it's pretty, so she will come with me everywhere. I think I did a good deal. It's not an extraordinary deal, but yeah, I knew what I'm getting. So if I would have gone for another mystery bag, I would have probably had more products, but I wanted this eyeshadow palette just to start with Oden's Eye, but I'm willing to try more things from them. So if you are from Europe, do not worry about taxes because they are clearing the taxes from you. So my shipment was cleared somewhere in Luxembourg, so it looks like it's coming from within European Union, so I had nothing to pay besides the price of the mystery box, so no duties attached. Please let me know what do you think about this look and what is your favorite eye. I think I'm leaning more towards this one where I have used the green shade, but I'm very excited to use that green on my upper eyelid. And let's now do the transfer test. So I have nothing, zero transfer. I'm loving it. I'm loving the formula, and if I love the formula, let's see how it works, I might consider to get that in multiple shades. But yeah, let me know what you think about Oden's eye. Have you tried anything from this brand? Are you interested now to try after you have seen this video? Please let down below in my comment section all your thoughts and opinions. And other than that, thank you so much for stopping by and visiting today. I hope you'll subscribe before you leave, and I'm going to see you all in a upcoming video. Don't forget, the most beautiful makeup is your own smile. Love you all, guys. Bye bye.